Hello, and this video is going to be a very quick one about adding smart tags to SureForms. I've written a reasonably long article explaining how this all works and going through what smart tags are, how to do them. There was a question on the Facebook group about how to add time to a field. Now, there is no native time in SureForms as a smart tag. It just doesn't exist. There's quite a few smart tags, but there is no native time. There are two dates, and if you check the official documentation, there is no way currently documented to add additional smart tags. It's not true. I spend a lot of time gripping through and using Notepad++, looking for filters and action hooks as part of my dev tree when I look at plugins. And I know that these filters exist because I've used them to add tags to some of my plugins. So I knew that it was possible. So I've covered this in the article about how to do this. But the two filters we're going to use are tag list and parse smart tags. So this one inserts our date. This one allows our RUP time to exist as a smart tag. So I'm going to enable this in WP Codebox, and I'm going to reload this page. And when we now click on time, we will get the option to add a new smart tag. We scroll right the way down to the bottom. You'll see current time 24 hours, which matches the time we've got here. And in fact, if I put a 5 on the end of this and then refresh this page again, we will get that as our option for our time. So let's go down here, and you see here current time 24 hours 5. So RUP time is our smart tag, and I'm going to push save, and that is that done. I'm now going to go to the front end for this form. I'm going to put in WP code test at wpcode.dev, and I'm just going to push email and push submit. Now, if we go back to our dashboard and we look at our entries, you'll see we've got a new entry here now. And if we view our entries, you will see here we have our name, WP code, our email address, our preferred contact method of email, our date, which is in the UK date format, and our new RUP time has become a time code. And it's that simple to add time to your SureForm forms. And it's not just limited to forms. You could have it generate an automatic or random submission based on date and time. You could have it return based on conditionally, based on submission. If you did it and switched it round on using one of the submission hooks, you could do that. There's lots of things you can do. You could one of the ways I have used this previously is pulling in an ACF tag where I've installed the same form, and this wasn't for SureForm. I did this for another form plugin, but where I pulled in the ACF tag into the output from the form, so I knew which page it was sent from. So they had branches, and I had an ACF branch code to pull from. And when you submitted it, told you what branch it was meant for, and then that was routed based on that using some smart logic in a PHP script. So it is entirely possible to add additional smart tags. They are not currently documented, and I've detailed them as best as I can on the article that's linked to this video, but I'm sure they will be in due course. They've been around for a little while. Thanks for watching.